Akora mogi pod wantiere weche mag somo singo ni kanyo ni wabro loso koda Judith Omondi manatoka dakika manok waseyudo yore mag tudruok makare. Kata kamano, dweche ariyo bang' sinyruok lowo mane okelo midhiero ne jodak ma Chesongoch kod Kipkende County ma Elgeyo Marakwet, piny owacho chako chenro mar gero udi 53 manyuola mane oyudo chandruok mondo mi gidagie. Kaluwore kod County Commissioner ma Elgeyo Marakwet David Kosgei, gedo machakore odiochieng' ma kawuono itayo kod JNYS geno ni biro tieki kapok dweche ariyo rumo. Joma ne oyudo midhiero pako piny owacho kuom paro ka gikoni sir makamano biro miyo gidok e ngimagi mane gin go motelo ne masirano.
Kwa majina naitwa Doris Koske. Ningependa kushukuru serikali kwa kunijengea nyumba. Tangu siku hiyo janga ilipofika, bado hata nastuka sana. Nikiona magari kama hii sahi na nakumbuka vitu sijui. Hata ningeomba tu Mungu anisaidie.
Mimi naitwa Benson Jamwana. Mimi nashukuru serikali kwa kunisaidia hivi. Tangu hii maadhiri ilipotokea mpaka saa hii nasema asante. Naishi kwa relatives wengine.
When this disaster, when this landslide happened, the governor of Elgeyo Marakwet and our office, my office of the county commissioner, formed a committee. There is a committee that was formed in all these areas that were affected by landslide. And the first reason why the committee was formed is one, first of all, was to give relief to those who are affected, and secondly, was to identify areas of relocation, so that those who are affected by where the landslide was were now not to be allowed to get back to those sites again. So the committee did a wonderful job. They've identified the sites where those seriously who are affected by the landslide are going to move to.
The number of houses we have given is 53. The period of the sites building of the houses, we are given 60 days by the government.